I have a different mindset on that. It is near support, but double tops are always good. When you have a neck that can't pop it past the first leg of that double top and goes right back up to it, almost to the tick, you just want to get in it, because you know you're going to get it down to at least at minimum the neck. I just think double tops are juicy. And
Right,
if you're lucky, then you get it down to the leg, which is what it's what happened. That's exactly what happened on this double top at 77, 78.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. I think if they can understand that, it's worth it. If you understand what you're looking at, then it's not worth taking the trade around the minor levels. You got to really be able to understand what you're looking at. It's not that you can't, it's just that the minor levels will always give you more opportunities, but you have to be able to control yourself. If you if you lack discipline in trading, then trading a lot of the minor levels is gonna emotionally wreck you, because the minor levels tend to give you more opportunities, and when something doesn't work out, if you can't control yourself because the trade doesn't work out, you're going to end up wrecking yourself. You could take two weeks worth of profits that you made and blow it out in the span of a couple hours of a session, or even a couple minutes trying to trade it. So you really got to be able to understand what you're doing within your trades and understand the risk that you're putting on. If you do and you're going to put it on, by all means go for it. If you don't understand what you're doing and you're not comfortable with the risk that you're putting on, don't do it, because it's only going to deplete your confidence. Highly recommend, if you're going to trade one by understanding what the market has done first from the major level, and then look to put yourself into minor level trades after that. Highly, highly, highly recommend that.